Hey everyone, you're here with Mark Batwell at perfectgardens.com. So today I wanted to talk to you about germinating seeds in pots and grow bags if you are growing in a colder climate area. I live in Colorado and we have a longer vegetative period here in Colorado than in places like California. The difference though is our temperature is about 5 to 7 degrees different throughout those vegetative months. And it might not seem like a big difference, although when you compound it on a day in and a day out basis, we're staying warmer longer and the temperature is more consistent, so it's less drop off, meaning let's say during the day it's 65, at night it might be 55 in California. So there's not as traumatic of a difference in temperature change. In Colorado, it could be 60 degrees during the day and still 45 at night in May. So what I do to help germinate the seeds a little bit sooner and to get growing a little quicker is after I sow my seeds, obviously you've seen my various videos using various water methods to help germinate the seeds. After that, what I do is I put a little plastic over the pots. I use a little Solex that then allows me to bring the plastic right underneath, as you see here. And by doing this, what it's going to do for me is that it's going to keep my soil warmer throughout the day and night. So it's going to heat up warmer throughout the day, and it's going to keep the moisture in the environment because it can't escape because it's all plastic all the way around. And second, because the water is heated up and insulated with the soil, it's going to create a nicer environment for those seeds to generate a little quicker. I'm not sure where you live. As you can see here, some of the steam starting to build up a little bit, just around the side where the sun's hitting it. And as you can see over here, it's not. And that's exactly what we want for seed germination. It's like basically like putting a large humidity dome over it. Same thing I did over here with my buckets. Sowed the seeds, I put plastic over it, and what that's also going to do is it's going to keep the moisture in the container versus it evaporating away. Because we live in Colorado and we are a mile high, the boiling point is less up high. And so the water evaporates quicker. And by doing this, I'm able to germinate my seeds with a lot more success than other people in the area and quicker because I'm creating an environment similar to California, and I have the best of both worlds because I have a longer vegetative season because I have more sun in May than in California. So by doing this, I'm going to get about 2 weeks ahead of everyone else in Colorado. Much less expensive than other farmers. Thank you so much and have a great grow.